So here's a review of the RTFKT Nike Dunks. You can see that I already opened the box, but I'm gonna walk you through it like you just opened it. So first off, you have this drawer style box, which is very similar to the Air Force Ones. You can see it back there, but you get the forged paper and the box itself, again, opens like a drawer. Then the first thing you'll see when you actually open the box is the sticker pack, which looks like this. And these are the stickers inside. You have the Boston Dynamics robot with a void. These are at ComplexCon. You have the vials. Again, this is the right side up. I know a lot of people are putting them like this in the shoe, but the vials go like this. You have the outsole design that goes on the back of the Oops You Stepped Into the Future shirt. This was the front design of the shirt. Then you have a Dunk Files web sticker, which is a website that shows the behind the scenes of the dunks. You have a back mod sticker, and then you have all four of the OG colorways. So the Ghost, the OGs, of course, Clone X, and Voids. It comes with extra laces with like silicone infused. These are new and you can decide to put them on. I think they're meant to make it so that the shoes don't untie as easily. Then you have the vial itself. You'll have the blade on top and the Nike swoosh in the bottom. And again, this is the right side up. Then you have the back mod. You have the tongue mod. And then to put the vial in, all you have to do is thin part up, fat side down, and you push it in. And that's how it looks like. And then it comes with a third mod, which a lot of people forget, but the eyelets are actually a mod, but it comes on by default, which you can take off like this. This is what it looks like without the eyelet. A lot of people like the look better like this. And then here's a closer look at the mod. What's cool about the mods is RTFKT actually gives you the commercial 3D files for you to create your own by giving you access to all the sizes of the clips for the different shoes. And right now they're running a contest where you could actually win the OGs, the Voids you can see back there, and a special pair for free. I made a video on that, and again, I'll just have a playlist with all the videos relating to the dunks so that you can watch later. Now, when it comes to the shoe itself, you can see that there's a lot of details on this, and certainly the OGs, because you know, they had a digital counterpart. So there was actually like screens. We're not in 2052, so of course there's not like real screens on the shoe, but to pay homage to that, it does say like screen front, screen load, and it has all these patterns that look like AR trackers to me. The coolest feature to myself are these swoosh and the blade. They actually glow in the dark. I'll show a video right here. Pretty sick. Now, when it comes to putting the tongue mod on, you have the tongue clip, and on the back, well, you got the back mod hook, I'd say, or the clip on. Now, some cool details is this part right here is actually 3M. The laces are 3M, and the insole is 3M. Now, when it comes to cushioning, this is compressed foam, and then this is rubber, and then these, it looks like, are actually air zoom units, which pretty cool, to be honest, for a dunk. It hasn't been really upgraded since the SBs, so this is really like the true new design. So I actually asked the RTFKT team, like, is this a collaboration? Because for those who don't know, RTFKT was actually acquired by Nike. So in a way, they're like Jordan Brand and Converse, but you know, here it's like a newer form and you really get to take part of something new. Well, they told me that it's the first time that RTFKT has rebuilt a sneaker from the ground up. So in a way, maybe this could be seen as a Jordan 1, but they used the Dunk as the base silhouette to reconstruct the future. They've done, I guess, past collaborations, like you can see in the back, the Takashi Murakami Air Force Ones, which are super sick in their own respect, but these Dunks are just fully rebuilt, which is super sick in my opinion. So this is what the mods actually look on the shoe. When you have the heel mod, make sure to push it down completely so that it overlaps with the swoosh. It looks much better. A lot of people, they put it on, but they have it so it sits like this. And when you do that, it's gonna rub against your heel if you don't push it down properly. And it doesn't look as flush. And then you have the tongue mod with the vial, which again, pretty cool. And you have the eyelet mods that are on by default. So this is what the shoe looks like. If you take out the insole, which I told you guys earlier was 3M, so this is the insole design, right? You actually get the code of the digital asset right here, which is really nice. Now, speaking of digital assets, you can actually pair the sneaker. So you got the world merging icon right here. Again, I'll have videos on how that's done, and I'll show you right at the end how you can actually authenticate the shoe, which eliminates fakes, right? Because you just scan your shoe with the NFC and it tells you if it's real or not. Okay, now let's just do the world merging together. I thought I was gonna cut out and just show you what the final result is, but we might as well just make this educational. So first off, you wanna go to artifact.com, connect your wallet. If you don't have a wallet, just look up MetaMask, how to create one, really simple. Once you do connect your wallet to your Artifact account, you wanna click on the world merging icon that you also saw on the shoe earlier, and you'll have this QR code ready. Now what you wanna do is get the shoe right here. Got the world merging, extra phone, because I am recording with my main phone, and you just slightly tap. You see how it goes right here. Okay. Now that that's done, you want to wait for the instructions on your phone. Proceed, we're going on desktop, and let's do the scan. Allow. Okay, scan was successful. Now we're onto the computer. Let's go on manual mode for the phone. Okay, so now that you have a closer look, just do continue. Wallet connect. Again, MetaMask, like I said, or a different wallet. MetaMask is just easy. Sign. And then you can link. So for the OGs, you actually had to already have the digital, where if you had the voids, the clone next to the ghost, I actually made a video on how to claim it. Again, I'll add that to the playlist, but for the OGs, you had to have the digital. So link the digital collectible. You're gonna have to approve the signature, which was gasless, by the way. All the new Artifact world merging assets are gasless. So now you can see that it was successfully merged. So if you view the product page, you can see that the item was authenticated indeed, and you get more information. So you can see that there's 6,841 pairs. You can see that it's a first edition link, so who connected before you, and more information about the shoe itself, which is pretty cool. You don't get what a lot of sneakers. Now I'm gonna put this back on a tripod and show you what it looks like when you scan the shoe once you've connected it. Okay, so this is the scenario. Imagine you're at SneakerCon, right? And 50% of the people that are there are actually wearing fakes. I see those So Loco videos where those people are wearing those LV AF1s, and we know they're all fake. So let's say, okay, this person's wearing an Artifact sneaker. Well, you can already tell if it's real or not with the world merging chip, but it has to work. So you go on your phone, slightly tap on it, and you can scan it. So once the pair was actually linked like we just did, anyone can go on their phone and slightly tap on it. But again, so it will load the NFC data and it will tell you that the shoe is real. So you know it's not a fake, which honestly would make StockX's job way easier if all the sneakers were chipped, because they wouldn't be selling fakes or letting fakes through. They could just slightly tap on the shoe and let you know if the shoe is real or not. Now that's it for, I guess, a long review. We're already at 6 minutes, but if you have any questions, I'm sure I missed stuff, because anytime I do a review, I have something planned out and I don't actually say it. So just let me know in the comments, did I miss something? And also comment, do you like the OGs better? Do you like the voids better? Or are you waiting on the Clone X pair and the Ghost pair as your fan favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if I missed anything, because I'm sure I did, make sure to also leave it in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer them. Anyways, have a good day.